Yesterday, I flew in a private jet to Dominican Republic, where I am right now, and it made me confirm why I love flight private. First thing is going to be the efficiency of the time. It was a 2-hour flight. My flight was supposed to leave at 11. I got there at 10:55, hopped on, came all the way over here. So I literally wasted no time. Second is going to be the comfortability. I literally sat down, got on my phone, did a quick podcast, and as soon as the podcast ended, I landed. I was comfortable with them bumping into other people. I wasn't waiting for somebody to get out and having to walk, get an Uber. No, I got off the jet, security's waiting for me, takes us to this beautiful house that we're staying in right now. And then third is going to be how much it opens up my mind. The flight was $55,000. That's what somebody dreams to make after they studied for a whole entire 2 years in college. I just spent that on a 2-hour flight. So it forces me to make more money.